So in this video, we're going to be talking about how to set up products and services, but not just how to set up products and services willy-nilly. We want to set them up intentionally. We want structure so that it makes everything easier. So let's go see what we've got under our products and services. So we can get there a couple of different ways. We can go over here to the left nav bar under sales, and down at the very bottom of this list is products and services. Or we can go over to the gear icon, go to lists and products and services. So as we saw before, we have two default products and services set up by QuickBooks just to put the structure in place that QuickBooks needs to operate. And as we saw in the Foundations video, we can set our products and services up so that we have categories and then individual items within those categories. And it really helps when someone is doing invoicing or when we're trying to order a product or find a product in the list. So if we were just going to set up a new item, it's very simple. We're going to just click on new. It's going to give us choices whether it's inventory, non-inventory, service, or bundle. If we chose inventory, it would walk us through the different pieces that we need to fill in. But before we start jumping into that, what I want to talk about is categories. So if we set up our categories prior to entering our items, then we can assign it to a category right at the same time. So if we were in new, we were in inventory, here we can choose the category that we want this item to go to. Now at this point, because we don't have any categories, it gives us the option to add a new category. But because we're starting from scratch, we're going to go in and we're going to actually set up our categories before we start adding our items. So to do that, we're going to go here to this More button and we're going to say Manage Categories. This gives us the option to add a new category. Now, because I like to do things intentionally, I started out in Excel listing out all of the products and services that our company, Terrance Inc., offers. So I came up with some categories. So the categories that I set up are products, the things that we are selling to our customers, services, the services that we're providing to our customers, non-inventory supply type items, and then a couple of bundles. Some of these items are things that we are going to be using ourselves in doing services for our customers. For example, in our dinosaur grooming services, we will be using the DinoBlast 3000 power washer, but we're also going to be selling these in our online store to our customers. So I went through and I listed out all of the different products that we will be selling, and I also gave them a category. So we've got a product. That product is going to be assigned to a category. So our DinoBlast 3000 is going to be assigned to a category called equipment. We've got a folding table that will be both selling to our customers and we'll also be using it in our mobile grooming service for dinosaurs. We've got chamois cloths, because of course you got to wipe all that water up. We've got dinosaur shampoo, skin conditioner, we've got claw clippers and blades, dinosaur treats, restraint leashes, very important, soft brushes, wire brushes, rain gear. So all of the things that we need to do our dinosaur grooming service, but also the things that we'll be selling in our online store for other people who are caring for their emotional support dinosaurs. We also have, of course, a variety of food products. We've got vitamins, we've got dinosaur kibble, we've got dinosaur indigestion tablets, because dinosaurs eat strange things sometimes. They get tummy aches like the rest of us do. We're also going to be selling dinosaur plush toys and dinosaur fleece blankets, because as you know, our emotional support dinosaurs also need emotional support, which they get from their plush dinosaur toys and their fleece blankets. Now, the services that we are currently providing is basically a three-tier approach to dinosaur grooming. Our bottom package is basically keeping the stink down. So maybe your emotional support dinosaur doesn't sleep in the house and you just want him to be kind of outside and happy and healthy, but not stinky. Our next service package up is the standard wash and wax. So this is more of an all-inclusive package of dinosaur grooming, where they're going to get a good scrub, their skin is going to be conditioned, their horns and nails will get trimmed, and then our top tier service will be the pampered dino detailing, where your emotional support dinosaur is going to get a spa day. They're going to be very happy, spoiled little little emotional support dinosaurs. Now, in our non-inventory section of our products and services, we've got some things that we are not selling directly to our customers. So for example, we've got our 5-gallon and 10-gallon dinosaur dropping bags. We want to make sure we have those with us in our van at all times. We need the large shovel, and we buy our industrial deodorizing spray by the 55-gallon drum. So those are things that we're not selling to our customers. We're not going to sell our customers 55 gallons of deodorizing spray for their emotional support dinosaur. That would just be silly. And then we're also going to offer a couple of bundles. So one bundle is going to be the emotional support dinosaur welcome basket, and this is for the dinosaur. If you are getting a new emotional support dinosaur, you would order this welcome basket, and in it there might be a dinosaur fleece blanket and some treats and things to make your dinosaur feel really welcome in his or her new home. And the other bundle that we're offering is the New Owner Essentials Kit. So in that New Owner Essentials Kit, there will be a helpful guide that's going to give you tips on helping your emotional support dinosaur make the transition to his or her new home, some treats, a first aid kit, the things you would need when you have a new dinosaur coming in. So that's the way that we want our products, services, non-inventory bundle stuff to be structured. Now, at this point in time, you may be thinking to yourself, has Carolyn lost her mind? I'll let you be the judge. So what we're going to do with our structure here is we're going to set up our categories in QuickBooks, and then we're going to use the import feature to bring in our products and services. So join me in the next video, and we're going to walk through that step by step.